It's time for some midlife glam. I'm Angela Lee Pickard, 51 years old, and here are my secrets to looking your best at any age. Hey, good morning. We're about to unbox the next Dior Holiday purchases, and this time we are from Malaysia. Stay tuned, ladies and guys. Whoop! It is a last minute purchase that I did recently in Singapore, and I wanted to show you what I bought at the Dior members pop-up event in Singapore, right? And it was such a thrill and really exciting. And you know, I've already bought some Dior Holiday gift sets, and I just couldn't resist this time round too. So let's start unboxing. Oop, it was upside down. This is me. It's morning and I'm unpacking, about to leave for our trip back to Riyadh, and I'm just doing this last minute unboxing because I'm so excited to show it to you before I pack my bags, right? And so in Singapore, this pop-up event for all the members, when you spend $600, you do get a special free gift with it, right? And okay, so these are all the samples that I got. What did I buy first? So previously I bought the gift set, the mascara and the lipstick, and this time I bought the hand. I was just too excited, like spilling the beans. Okay. I bought the hand cream. I already own one of this. It's the best. I really love it. Better than Dior hand cream. And of course the Dior Addict. Okay, this is the Dior Addict. It's a staple. So these are staples in my beauty bag always, and I carry them with me every day. And that's the Dior Holiday gift set. And I also did buy a Rouge Dior. Let's have a look at this one. So this one is I believe it's the limited edition one. Let's have a look. Yep. So this is the Christmas edition. So pretty, the gold, right? So pretty, stunning. And I got this color. I do love my nude tones, and this is, let's see, I can't really read in Rouge Dior 210. Okay, so it's so pretty. I love it. I love it. Look at the details. Can you see the little stars? I didn't even notice that when I was in the store. So pretty. Loving this new collection. The gold is just so pretty. Look. Guys and girls, get this for your loved ones this holidays. And I also got this sequin liquid Dior. I love it, and it's in this color. Let's have a look at the color. It's in 220. Loving it. Let's try it on, okay? Because I've never tried the sequins lip gloss or the lipstick. I've never tried it, and oh, I'm not sure what's this. Is this the gloss side? Okay. I need to read the instructions, I guess. It's just a very quick unboxing. So I guess you do this. You see the sequins? So nice and shiny. So today it's sans makeup, right? I just wanted to show you the original and authentic self that I am. I did do a HIFU facial last few days ago, and I swear by it keeps you youthful, and it's still a little bit swollen here, and it gives you a bit of lift at the jawline, especially with the vector lift. I highly recommend it for all you ladies. And I did buy another item, a Dior Addict. I believe this is the refill. I do love my Dior Addict 380 in Pink Desire. Let's have a look. Yeah, this is the refill. So basically, you know, you just pop it open. This is the color. I love my pinks, my corals, my nudes, and I will use that for one of my other Dior Addict lipstick that has is finished, and I'll just pop that into the cover. And okay, I almost forgot this. This is the J'adore body oil. So stunning. I tried it on the sample, and it was just simply delightful. And yeah, and I love J'adore. I do have the perfume and also the hair perfume, right? And this is the body oil. So stunning, and you must try it on. Let's see. It's so shimmery. It's so shimmery and so nourishing for the skin. I love it, love it. Look how beautiful my hands look. Yeah, so those are the items this purchase, and I think I'm pretty done with Dior for now. And best of all, the powder puffs, so cute, the powder puffs. And my girlfriend and I, we shared and bought $600 worth of Dior products, and I got this little cute pouchy and stuff. She took the samples, the pre-gift, and I took the pouches. Yeah, so pretty. Loving this. So this holiday season, I did score myself 2 beautiful pouches, and I'm loving it. So pretty. Alrighty, see you all, and this time next week I'll probably be in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia by then. So love and hugs from Malaysia. Bye bye.